Let's make a fall landscape. You'll need watercolor paper, some colored paper, scissors, a glue stick, a black marker, watercolor paint, and brushes. First, draw a variety of shapes on a colored paper with black marker. Use warm colors for the fall trees. Then draw the branches that start from the center line and spreads outwards. Cut out all of the shapes. Now place the white paper and paint the background with watercolor paint. I drew and painted some hills and the road. Glue the tree shapes to the hills and overlap them. Glue them from the back to the front. Then draw some lines that are extended from the trees to make them look like tree trunks. Great! Do you want to try it with me? It will be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!